Mama Akwaba, wa frame Adwa searching him, Mesno, now was subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news. Ebusia for Efia Pokia Vim Lady, ni show so and discussion because no more edge 24-hour economy no, a senseless, a useless policy ever. What in Chilimintia, 24-hour economy no, a senseless and as a useless no, a man, Yinti in some day, etuya.
Adwene ha na mo ha mo ka sem we beto ni person ma yentie na voter register o de anyodi o yi sia sei je mensa or ba kofo e de nko ana obetumi aye nipa office nso no sabi senado kura na ponti wo mo anyo mo nyina na ye MPP for enti mo nwunu strategy ho o mo 24-hour economy atonsuom mo nwunu on say mutimi kan say 24-hour economy kura bia harbor for bed masa na mo kan say disco e ben 24 hours afuom e be 24 hours school e be 24 hours ensio e be 24 hours bibia 24 hours 24 hours economy adi kura wo hoda do drivers obi wo ya dwuma sa anopona ko ba bia da
o say yes how the man this instead of electoral commission for no money or more channel. And they should rather focus on marketing or 24-hour economy policy, no any other policies, instead of focusing on electoral commission.
The 24-hour economy crying, and in so be into market. Obia gonna ne dear. Obia gonna the version.
No, but that's how I endorse it 24. And I will cast a harbor crime can make it 24-hour. No crowd will be.
Yes, I don't make us specific. Specific. Kit to Abby. Number don't visit 24. Obia. President no said disco cry 24 hours. President no more so or the buy now how workable is this?
One casa, Mama Nana can't say disco 24 hours.
Oh, sorry. President Mama Nakaye.
No can't say disco 24 hours.
Yes. Udia Yako.
One casa.
And oh,
yes, I am ready. Now, one New York or Manhattan, one
Yeah. Overweighting the video now, bro. Overweighting the video now, bro. Yeah, cause a team for overweighting the video now, bro. All canceling and noon said disco crack 24 hours a bear running. Obi the baba before we end
the so cut 24 hours disco bear running. But how one example? I think the harbor one as Obi Ami a woman I think the harbor example no is workable as NDC for far agency will be mayor. And it doesn't really help because Temano is really a source of economy for Tema. Yes, if you ever 24 hours, and no create thousands of jobs for
yes. Nebi Anyama, what you mean? Say Anyama ye no. You don't go storehouse, a warehouse, so because any pan baby ada, in Tianopan, one ban almost who you call. Oh, now could can sir. A form will be the buses on board for 24 hours, Boconsi 24 hours, Choba for 24 hours, wait, and then why my back on no say one way workshop or auto mechanic and lawyer. Because in Timima upon my band of paper 8 upon 3 corner. Nama dear mammy boys and so on, so Nami Niamano, a big ram, my dynamo.
Nothing about a more ship system or honor. And to be point, I be so bad to us. If there's proper supervision and monitoring,
and they say education 24 hours, online learning, 24 hours. Ghanaian students, Bedumia, Tigana, MP4 Chromia course to her 24 hours. So, Tiana at the forefront, but what may limited to specific areas to say how about Mekaye.
Okay,
a better summon. Oh, not me go far and Cocoya Mekahu. Nkukonya kransa farmers no woman no and I do so feed the way obi aye put me in your honkoda entina wo kan ya
me ti dia wo kan ase get 24 hours no a feasible a workable airport. Okay,
yes, that is a Uber leader. You are a leader for all the people. You are a leader for so the one young United said he is open to lead the nation.
Okay,
he is open to lead the nation. We have to encourage him. We have to support him. He is a new leader with a new vision for the country.
Okay. Mama only album you only have of Jubilee Usunya Mecha so bebem but NDC for
I am in the same school.
We so but Osi mahama market 24-hour economy. See, 24-hour economy na mahama de by sector based and sector by sector. Also be 24-hour agro processing, 24-hour pharmaceutical industry, not just a pharmacist ni ade ni nyina no. Say next time is all manufacturing plant or temai. Ombema na operate 24 hours. And na 24-hour construction industry, 24-hour manufacturing industry, 24-hour extractive industry, mining companies no, any quarry companies no, omo paya bo no, be 24-hour. 24-hour sanitation and waste management. Ball no, zoom now for best ball no 24 hours. 24-hour leisure and hospitality. That's where issue no. Make us a minimum. If you do your research, master. Obi a journalist and just it is stupid. You must be confident and bold to admit unim. And me, I will tell you say me who video no. I know what the Abraham no. Until not just it's true some can disco nothing because I see 24-hour leisure and hospitality industry. Hana disco no woman. And I see 24-hour digital startup and business processes and outsourcing. And they have to come and explain what is digital startup. Because I will check what digital startup. Any startup be up for that matter. Almost 24-hour. What I say? America, America. Startups no 24-hour startups. And then DC must explain that one. Then they have 24-hour financial services. Bench capital ya charge boss stealing. So how can a financial company do 24-hour? NBC must explain this to us. 24-hour retail centers and modern market. A shop right to come game omupon. When sales small omupon. Who 24-hour? Now they shopping I am there. You break cry for you money. It was also by 24-hour shopping mall. You must explain for what one ever told I do 2 a.m. no. I say so you must create a market that will drive people. The club boys no create a market that will attract them to come and buy and create security that will protect the filling station crying 24-hour because of armed robbers. Can tampo kwa so kwa filling station be bro mo nya adwuma. O me ya adwuma na is a police guard gina ho because you kunkuma mo. So what I think if you are creating that digital you must give us the blueprint of the best sustain. And again you have 24-hour transportation services. That is a VIP state transport near 24 hours. And also it's possible. But no cry any I'm not you turn back. You know young Colano, you no remember. There was a big case here. I don't from here. I'm not you turn back. There was a story about that VIP bus. It's a cook must takwani ade. I'm fan from Accra do cook must Omudru Joso, I'm not best attack your motor conform na. Girl no better now do me from that time I'm more to on better now or say. I had to attack you on the road. And yet, was he NDC or MPP? They denied it. Meanwhile, it was true. Mama Chigeli Kotocha Geli ya. That case on Yakubo is a professor at a phone case on a era Deputy Minister for Railway was a density say. On our family a pro bono case, free or man again, and get again to just because she has spoken the truth. Say a fabas, your man Robert Aquata, your more attacking, Omuni choosing, Conforce only way not top arm. Fenano, Omusigeli Uncle money. Into who you can Google what is Amina you turn back story, you find a detail about that story. And this again, also selected public